Hey everyone, welcome back to Stack Tech Tutorials, and this is how to change the vehicle icon on Google Maps. The first thing to remember is that this only works on the mobile version of Google Maps, so it will happen only on your mobile phone. So what you have to do is simply set your location and choose the destination point, just like I am choosing a city location here for a quick tutorial purpose. Now you can see a start button at the bottom. Click on Start. Now you can see a navigation icon. If you click on the navigation icon, it will give you multiple vehicle options and color themes. You can select any of the cars, just like I am choosing this one in red color. There are many colors available. I have selected the yellow car for my navigation. So this is how you can add and change the vehicle icon on Google Maps. If this video was helpful to you, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.